Welcome to today's video. I'm now going to show you how to create a post on your Facebook page. So you are now logged into your personal account, and in the top right hand corner you will have clicked on your page. So here you would click, all your different pages would come up, and then the page, you would select the page that we're working on. So today, let's say this one. And this is where you're going to create a post. So when you click here, there are so many things that appear. You can obviously type in a text, but what's great is you can also add photos or videos, emojis, location, and by clicking here, you can also see all these other options, other ways of engaging with your customers. Now, if I create a post here, I can also choose a background. Anything with a bit more color or image will seem friendlier and people will be more likely to engage. But you still want to use something that represents your brand. So if this is a little too daring, you can choose something colorful but a little more neutral, just like a background color, like this. So that's nice and neutral. And here's where I'm going to write a post. So here I'm creating a question. I want to engage with my followers. Comment below. I can here choose to share it now, schedule it, save as a draft if I'm not quite ready, and I can even backdate it. So here what we're going to do is we're going to post it immediately. Share now. So this is the website that I like to use for Facebook icons, for symbols, emojis like this. You just click on the symbols you want, and then here you have the most recently used ones. So you can select the ones that you like to use normally, or you can just scroll down and see if there's something relevant to that post. And once you've selected the icons you want, you click on copy, you go back to your Facebook page, and you paste, and you post. Share now. Now, if this is a very busy page where I post a lot, but I'm trying to gather information through this post, I want to make sure that it remains visible, so I can pin it to the top of the page if I want. Now let's create another post type. Here it says create an event. Facebook events are great. It gets your local community to come and visit you. Event name. So here you could have the opening of a showroom, for example, a special promo, always select the category. So is it drinks? Is it food? Is it networking? Is it shopping? Does it occur once, daily, weekly, or other? Here, let's say that I'm launching this event for next weekend, let's say. Make sure you're in the right time zone. Don't forget that if you have anybody else, friends or admins from that page, you want to add them. So you can co-host this. Here you can add some keywords. Here you can add the website link. So if you have already a page talking about this event directly on your website, you can put that specific URL there. And always make sure those posts are approved in advance so that you don't get spammed. And publish. So now I'm going to go back and see if I can add maybe a photo or a video to better illustrate that event. Here what Facebook is doing is trying to get me to pay to boost my event. So if I choose to do that, I can go in and create a paid campaign also. Let's now go back to our page. So if you're doing a big event and you're also going to do some leaflets or some printouts, you want to make sure that you create a QR code. So click here, and this QR code you're going to download and it's going to take people straight to that event. So if you scan this with a phone, so if you just open the camera option on your phone and you just place it in front of that image, it will detect it as a QR code and it will prompt you to open that Facebook link. Now let's go back to our page. Okay, if you click back once, it should take you back to the page. Now another thing that's interesting, let's say that I go on a website like, so you would just copy that URL. Sometimes it detects an image, sometimes it doesn't. So if it doesn't have an image, you can always add one yourself. And here you would have the direct link and an image. So if I don't want to share that immediately, I can just schedule it. So I click here, and then I can decide to post this maybe tomorrow, for example, at an earlier time. And then I click schedule. I can see that there are scheduled posts. I click, and here on this page you will be able to see all the scheduled posts. So you can actually create as many posts as you want in advance. I hope you've enjoyed this introductory video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch or comment below. And if you are interested in videos like this, do check out our video library for more information. Thank you. Bye-bye.